What to do when someone hangs up over the phone. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button, then check out some of the other videos that I have. Hopefully you'll find some golden nuggets and share them with folks you think will benefit. So going back to my topic, they usually say when you're calling and somebody answers and then hangs up, somebody hangs up mid-conversation, the rule of thumb created by folks is you call them back right away and say, "Hey, I'm sorry, I think we hung up." I believe that is the wrong way to go about it. And here's why. If somebody says hello and you say hello and they hang up, that wasn't a mistake. Number one, hear me out first before going out of this video. Number two, if you are having a conversation and they hang up again, that is not a mistake. And here's why you should not call them back. They're not going to answer. If they know what you're talking about, they know what you might be saying, and they're just not interested at that point in time. So by you calling them back, it's just further aggravating their mindset, further adding fuel to the fire. If they didn't want to talk initially, they're not going to talk now. And here's what you should be doing. When somebody hangs up, move on, move forward, and call them back after a couple of days. Hopefully you don't have a number that can be remembered by everybody, and just start the conversation afresh. Don't say that you guys spoke previously and the call disconnected. No need to remind them of that. There's a 99.9% chance, and it's proven by statistics and experience of other fellow industry folks. They're not going to remember. They have so much other things going on in their life. They're not going to remember who you are, what you were saying, or what you were pitching. So just hang up, and after a couple of days, give them a call back. Start the conversation fresh, and you'll see a difference in their tonality. Hope that helps. Once again, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. If you felt this video was helpful, hit the like button and share with folks who you think will benefit. Until next time, we're done.